In this video, I'm going to explain how to export your Figma prototypes as a video. Unlike images or PDFs, Figma doesn't have a native export to video button yet, so you'll need to use either a plugin or a screen recording method to capture your interactions and animations. The first method is using Figma community plugins, which integrate directly with your Figma file. One popular option is Export to GIF/Video, which supports Smart Animate and interactive components, letting you export smooth animations directly. Another is ProtoVid, which automatically detects your prototype flows and can export at resolutions up to 4K. Protonics is another choice, allowing exports to Lottie, MP4, or GIF formats from a starting point in your flow. And TinyImage is great if you want high-quality MP4s or GIFs from animated layers. Plugins are convenient because they work right inside Figma and keep your animations intact. If you prefer manual control, screen recording is the most reliable method. Enter presentation mode by clicking the play icon in the top right corner of Figma, then use your system's screen recorder. On macOS, press Command+Shift+5 to select the area to record. On Windows, you can use the Xbox game bar with Win+G or the snipping tool with Win+Shift+S. Specialized tools like Screen Studio can help capture smoother cursor animations and automatic zooming for a more professional look. While recording, click through your prototype just as a user would. Afterward, stop the recording and trim the video at the start or end if needed. A third option is browser-based recording. Some apps, like Crypto, allow you to load your Figma prototype in a web interface and capture the browser tab directly. This method can produce cleaner results than standard screen recording because it focuses only on the prototype area. Whether you use a plugin or screen recording, exporting Figma prototypes to video requires a few extra steps, but it gives you flexibility to create polished presentations, client demos, or social media content directly from your designs.